Point of order. Please, please. The leader is making a point. Yes, please.
सभापति महोदय,
Rule number. Honorable member, rule number.
मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि सदन की कार्रवाई आपके निर्देशन पे चलती है। आप कार्रवाई में किस शब्द को अंकित करना है, किसका भाषण अंकित करना है, ये फैसला आपकी कुर्सी से होगा, आपकी चेयर से होगा। लीडर एलओपी तो कहा जा रहा है कि आप इसको कार्रवाई से निकाल दें। कार्रवाई से निकाला नहीं जा सकता।
Yes, yes. Now, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji for her reply. No point of order required. Already given. Honorable Minister, reply.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. And I thank all the members who have come here to participate in this debate. Manipur, its budget, its tax revenue raising, potential giving amendment to the bill of the GST are all very critical to the state of Manipur. A full year budget is what is being presented now. Earlier, we had come with a vote on account, but this is the full budget.
Honorable members, please don't come into the well. Please don't come into the well. Please continue.
And
please continue.
Therefore, it is important that the House takes this debate very seriously. Passing a budget is a constitutional responsibility for
Honorable
all
members.
Equally, passing ordinance which was brought in because the House wasn't in session. Now I'm making it as a bill so that it becomes an act. Bills are absolutely critical, constitutional responsibility for all of us. And therefore, I would want this discussion.
Please go back to your seats. Please, Manimantri, please come.
So, taking up the Manipur budget bill,
मंत्री जी की बात नहीं रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है। Please go.
Taking the GST, Manipur GST ordinance to be converted to an act, and also the budget are both very critical to the state of Manipur. And since I'm happy to see the opposition come back into the House, I would expect them to participate in this and allow the Manipur appropriation bill and allow the GST Manipur ordinance to be passed as a law, and respect that we have to have this constitutional duty performed. I would like the opposition, which has taken a lot of interest in Manipur otherwise, to take interest even now and allow Manipur to receive its money, which is its due. And therefore, I would appeal to the opposition to stop their protest at least now and deal with the constitutional responsibility that we have. So, therefore, on the GST Act, it is more looking at conversion of a ordinance into a bill, and therefore the bill is before us. We need to pass it to make it into an act, or else Manipur will not be able to raise revenue under the GST. Although all over the country, all states have passed this amendment, we are waiting for the ordinance to become a law. The other, sir, is the Manipur budget appropriation. It is a very important thing. I like to put it on record that Prime Minister Modi has ensured that Manipur's development does not suffer, but at the same time, the internally displaced people who are in the camps, some of them have gone back to their villages, many of them who are living in the camps should be given assistance, and that is why what we have provided for is worth mentioning. 2,898 crores for Manipur from Government of India is being factored in this budget. 2,898 crores. Of this amount, sir, 1,667 crores will be spent on capital account, which means assets will be created, jobs will be provided, and as a result, the state will have its economy revived. And 1,231 crores would be spent on revenue head. I would like to expand on this a bit. Additional allocation which is being given will support immediate requirements, such as the internally displaced persons rehabilitation will get 523 crores crores so that people in the camps can be rehabilitated. Second, security-related expenditure will be 542 crores. Deployment of the CAPF, Central Armed Police Force, is another 500 crores. So I think it is very important that these are taken on board. More important is the fact that for long-term sustainability of Manipur's public finance, Government of India is allowing Manipur to prepay its high-interest loans. The loan burden on Manipur is being reduced by asking them to repay all those high-interest loans. For that, 633 crores is being provided, so that the state doesn't sit with heavy cost loans. Second is additional support is being provided through the state special assistance for capital investment, and that is 700 crores is being given. That 700 crores is for 50 years without interest. So Manipur's development will ramp up and speed up, and therefore this budget looks at these important matters. Sir, the revenue receipts are being kept at 21,439 crores. This is 21% lower than the vote on account figures, because that was presented in March 2025. We have a realistic picture now. Above all, sir, the last that I'd like to say in conclusion is fiscal deficit is at 3.5% of GSDP compared to 3.4% during vote on account.
No point of order in disorder, please. No point of order in disorder.
3.7% in pre-audited actuals of 24-25. So total outstanding liabilities are budgeted to be 37% compared to the pre-audited 39.5% of the GSDP. It is one of the progressive and confidence-building budget. I wish the House can pass it. Thank you.
I shall now put the motion regarding consideration of the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken to consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. Please go back to your seats. आप सीट पर जाकर ही नो कहा. Please go back to your seats. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clauses 2 to 38 stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 2 to 38 are adopted. माननीय सदस्य अपनी सीट पर जाइए, मैं आपकी हर बात सुनने को तैयार हूँ. पर आप सीट पर न होकर वेल में हैं और आप डिमांड कर रहे हैं पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर का. प्लीज नो. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. अपनी सीट पर जाकर कहें, अपनी सीट पर वेल से नहीं. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move that the bill be returned.
Sir, I rise to move that the bill be returned.
Motion moved that the bill be returned. The question is that the bill be returned. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. Please go back to your seats and tell no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the bill is returned. I shall now put the motion regarding consideration of the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken to consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Please, आप सीट पर जाकर नो कह सकते हैं, ये आपका अधिकार है. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clauses 2 to 4 and the schedule stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 2 to 4 and the schedule are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move that the bill be returned.
Sir, if you allow me just 1 minute, we've been hearing so many sympathetic and Manipur's version of things from the opposition and from the ruling benches. But when the actual budget and appropriation is being taken up, when the GST, Revenue Raising Act is being taken up, we find the opposition not just protesting on something else, but voting against Manipur's appropriation bill. Voting against it. I'm sorry to say this, and in that I'm saying I rise to move that the bill be returned.
The question is that the bill be returned. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. Please go back to your seats. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is returned. The Merchant Shipping Bill 2025, Sri Sarvanand Sonowal to move a motion for consideration of the Merchant Shipping Bill 2025.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, I am especially thankful to you for giving this opportunity. I rise to move that the Merchant Shipping Bill 2024 to consolidate and amend the law relating to merchant shipping to ensure compliance with India's obligation under the maritime treaties and international instrument to which India is a party, and also to ensure the development of Indian shipping and efficient maintenance of Indian mercantile marine in a manner best suited to serve the national interest and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Motion moved. Now I call upon the members whose names have been received for participation in the discussion. Sri Gola Babu Rao, please.
Thank you, sir. At the outset, I once again congratulate the government to introduce this merchant shipping
House
bill.
order में हो तो मैं बोलने के लिए दूँ. No, please go back to your seats. Then only. नहीं, please go back to your seats. Please.
The Indian shipping industry.
बोले आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे.
Indian shipping industry plays a vital role in sustaining.
आप बेल में खड़े हैं, बेल से आप आवाज कर रहे हैं और माननीय एमपी की बात करने की बात कर रहे हैं. Please.
7,517 kilometers.
माननीय गोला बाबू राव,
can be
please.
broadly categorized into foreign going and home trade shipping with inland waterways also contributing significantly to the overall economy. Indian merchant marine fleet has 1526 vessels registered as on 31st December 2023 for the foreign going and coastal operations with a combined gross tonnage approximately.
सर आप सभी सीट पे चलिए, मैं बोलने का मौका दूंगा. Please,
foreign going Indian merchant ships.
Haus में order है, please. I'm ready to give. But go back to your
globally.
Go back to your
cargo to from international ports. The competencies of these vessels include the efficient cargo handling and management. The foreign going ships require skilled personnel to manage cargo efficiently and ensure timely delivery. The compliance with the international regulations. These vessels must adhere to international maritime laws and the conventions ensuring safe and secure operations. Skilled and trained crew. Foreign going ships require experienced and trained crew from members to navigate complex international routes. The foreign going Indian merchant ships contribute significantly to the country's foreign trade, generating revenue and promoting economic growth. The oceanic routes play an important role in the transport sector of India's economy. The approximately 95% of India's foreign trade by volume. The foreign trade by volume of 70% by value moves through ocean routes. as a 2022, India's foreign trade stood at 1230 billion with a growth rate 16.4% as of 31st December 23. The Indian home trade ships operate within the country's coastal waters, transporting cargo between domestic ports. The core competences of these vessels, the knowledge of Indian coastal routes and ports. Home trade ships require expertise in navigating India's complex coastal routes and ports. The efficient cargo trading and handling and management. These vessels must manage.
LOP.
देखिए, आपको मुझे जो आप समय दे इसलिए मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं आपका, लेकिन मुझे आप क्लैरिफाई कर दीजिए। और यहाँ पर हमारे सदन के नेता भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, जब हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर और बिल पास हो रहे हैं और ये अब डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा नहीं होता।
नहीं,
आप चर्चा करने के लिए हाउस इन ऑर्डर होना चाहिए, पास करने के लिए भी हाउस इन ऑर्डर होना चाहिए।
नेक्स्ट स्पीकर
ये बहुत बड़ा धोखा
खान
लोकतंत्र के लिए। और
मुजमिल नॉट प्रेजेंट, प्लीज। लीडर ऑफ द हाउस।
सर, जैसा लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन ने कहा कि डेमोक्रेसी की रक्षा होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए, लेकिन इस हाउस को बंधक भी नहीं बनाया जा सकता। वी कैनॉट मेक इट ए हॉस्टेज। आफ्टर ऑल बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में डिस्कस हुआ कि बिल्स विल बी पास्ड, एंड टुडे आई एम शॉक्ड the role of opposition. Those who were talking about Manipur for the last 2 years, when the bill was being passed, they were opposing it.
Now, Shri Sonewal ji to reply the discussion. Shri Sonewal ji. He is there. Sonewal ji, please report. Please sit down.
Baburao ji,
Please.
for his
Shanti बनाए रखें.
kind
No.
support this bill.
Mr. Neeraj ji, please.
Respected sir,
Minister.
the merchant